Today on Kelli with Goals, we'll go over how your words literally shape your life. We'll look at not only the impact of positive affirmations, but also how you speak can influence your mindset and your future. So be sure to stick around till the end because you might just hear something that'll change your life. Our life's experiences and sense of reality are shaped by the words we use. Everything you say is like a seed put into your mind's garden. Our self-talk and the way we communicate with others act as the water and the sunlight that helps those seeds grow into a vibrant, empowering reality. And this really reminds me of the story of Arnold Schwarzenegger, the famous actor, champion bodybuilder, and former California governor. Arnold, who originally came from Austria, talks about the struggles that he had, not just with the language barrier, but also the financial difficulties he had early on in his career. However, he had a constant vision of becoming a champion bodybuilder and a famous Hollywood star. Throughout his challenging journey, Schwarzenegger used the transforming power of positive affirmations to mold and shape his winning mindset. Arnold said in his autobiography, Total Recall, that he would use positive affirmations as a tool for motivation and self-belief. He would mentally visualize his goal, repeat positive mantras, and focus on affirmations related to being the best bodybuilder and his dream of becoming a famous actor. One of Schwarzenegger's famous affirmations was, "I am a champion. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. And I will be the greatest bodybuilder and actor in the world." Arnold's relentless dedication to his affirmations, combined with an intense work ethic and extreme discipline training, enabled him to become a 7-time Mr. Olympia, a successful Hollywood actor, and then, of course, the governor of California. Arnold Schwarzenegger's story shows that the application of positive affirmations has no boundaries or limitations. Affirmations are a universal tool that anyone can use to create a positive mentality and work towards their goals. Arnold's experience illustrates the transformative impact of affirmations when used consistently with determination and a focused effort. According to research, the words we use can impact the neural pathways in our brains. Positive words and affirmations stimulate the release of endorphins, which create a positive feedback loop that can enhance your mood, reduce stress, and improve overall mental well-being. You're literally rewiring your brain when you use positive words that uplift and motivate you. And one of the simplest ways to improve your own words and have a greater impact on your own life is to create your own affirmations. And you can do this by identifying the areas in your life where you'd like to see a positive change, whether that be your career, your health, personal relationships, education, etc. And here's a few examples. I am confident. I am creating the life of my dreams one step at a time. Or I am resilient and strong. And these are great because they're positive, they're said in present tense, and they are specific. And you can use these principles when making your own affirmations. Make sure that they relate to your goals and they resonate with you. And if you'd like to learn how to make your own affirmations in a much more detailed article, I'm going to list it in the description below. And when it comes to these affirmations, consistency is key. Just like with Arnold Schwarzenegger, you need to do them every single day, whether that's in the morning or at night. This includes not only affirmations, but also the things we say to others. Moreover, as novelist and metaphysician Florence Scovel Shinn stated and named one of her books,
Your word is your wand. The words you speak create your reality.
This is just a short and simple explanation about affirmations and the words we use and how they truly do affect what we feel and how we see things, because your subconscious mind is always taking every word you say into factor. Your subconscious mind doesn't know whether you're kidding or not. So watch your tongue. And if you like this and want to continue to get more great videos, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.